Ito kami guys, sa taas ng disyerto guys. Cheers! Yan o. So nandito nga pala kami sa Desert Safari ngayon. At ayan ang aming ATV. Nag-ride kami dito sa disyerto. Nandito ako sa disyerto guys. Ayun. Para kami nasa Marilaki. Stay behind.
Okay, so after the meal,
Yeah.
you want to open the bag to move. Because of I don't want you cannot see. You have to experience, okay?
Okay.
And the room is good, no sense, and I don't go in the bathroom, okay?
Okay.
So,
Maintindihan. Hello guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Desert Safari at mag-ride kami ng camel. Yeah, we want to ride. How can we ride?
Yeah, you can sit. No,
How we can sit now? Okay. Alright.
Okay, you this.
So this is the camel.
Okay. Hold that and Alinda.
Okay. Camel ride, let's go. Yung ano, ayaw yung umakyat. Uy, taas. Taas pre. Taas na yan. Taas. Dito kami sa camel guys. Yan. Sabi ni kuya, ano lang daw to? 5 minutes. Hey! 5 minutes camel ride. There you go. Camel guys.
excuse me, okay, look here. Smile. Very nice. Brother, hello, excuse me. Hold tight the bag, okay? Camel sit.
Yeah, okay.
Camel's
hold
gonna
tight
sit.
the bag.
Okay. Right.
Hold tight, hold tight. Come on. Finish. Come.
Thank you.
Back.
Siya yung camel.
Okay, happy?
Happy, thank you.
Okay, brother, stand here, just
Yeah,
do photo
thank
for
you.
company photo. Hello, stand here. Next second. Look at, fast. You can. 1, 2, 3, brother. Fast, look at now. Close. Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Kuya, thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go. The bikes are ready.
Thank you for the picture.
Yeah.
Alright guys, nag-ride kami ng camel. May isa pang camel dito. Ayan.
Come.
Alright. Mag-ride naman tayo ng ATV guys. This is the ATV.
That's the big one.
The big one. Okay. It's a big one.
Right, carefully. Hey, let's go on some right. Not only you.
Alright. Okay, this is a big one.
Come down. He's your guide.
Okay.
Okay, you will follow him.
No problem.
He will explain. Hi bro, how are you? Good?
I'm good, I'm good.
This is the gas to move from the side. This one too much. Don't use this.
This is brake. This is gas.
Okay? Don't make zigzag. You can follow the line. You see I make a stop. You can stop the bike because you run one line. Don't make your lift go off the line. Keep your thing safe. Okay?
Thank you.
Everything okay.
Alright guys, ready? Pakiganin ito. Oh, laki nito mahal oh.
Pwede pala dito sa kanila.
Oh, tiyawa.
Hindi ko makasali eh.
Yan. Yay! Oh, 2 minutes ride. Laki ng ano natin oh. Hindi, malaki to.
Can I take the bike then?
No, I stay behind.
Okay, so after the meal, huh?
Yeah.
I want to open the bike to move. Because so far I don't want you cannot see. Too experience, okay?
Okay.
But the moon is good, no sense, and I don't go in the bathroom, okay?
Okay.
Carry on, go.
Kung maintindihan. Bagal lang, hinatay nga tayo nung ano.
Ang inaya mo siya magantay. Pinayaan naman natin siya eh.
Yan.
dito natin kumain.
It's okay, huh?
Yeah, can we take a
The drive-
picture?
The drive is good. Yes, you come, example from that like this. Don't see this one, you go up.
Okay.
Okay, you can even left to right to by yourself because of this is the time. See one going up from this side, the bike you make like this. You understand? Try to get the way for your eyes. The way is good for your eyes because of the tire is coming broke. Also you come lifting. Don't press the gas. Leave the gas.
No problem. I get it.
It's coming slow.
Got it.
Okay, you see it's going fast. You press brake slow.
No problem.
Okay.
Got it. Yes. Thank you, bro. Dito na tayo. So, nandito nga pala kami sa Desert Safari ngayon at ayan ang aming ATV. Nag-ride kami dito sa disyerto at alright. Pangalawang beses na namin dito sa Desert Safari pero ito mukhang ibang lugar to eh. Okay? Pakita ko sa inyo yung yung pinaka view dito, right? Ayan oh. Disyerto. Ayan. Ako kasi mahal. Ayan. So ito yung disyerto sa likod. Ayan oh. Yung kotse namin. Ang laki oh. Ayan oh. And yung mga kasamahan namin yan oh. Ayun mga kotse oh. Cheese! Kita nyo? Ayan oh. Tangan ang galing. Mahal, tara picture tayo dito. Yan, totoong disyerto. Ayan oh. Picture muna kami guys.
Sa paano? Ikot. Malantas.
Grabe na. Ito kami guys, sa taas ng disyerto guys. Cheers! Yan o. Ano taas dito? Wait lang, baba tayo dito. Guys, sino mo? Disyerto. Takina ang lupit. Ang ganda dito. Picture mo ako dito mga bilis. Bilis picture.
Yes, talay dito ka.
Yan. Tumba ka dyan kaibigan.
Yan ako.
Oh. Bilis. Oh. Against the light? Walang yan. Ito yung light eh. Game. Okay. So, yun na nga. Mga kaibigan, andito ulit tayo ngayon sa Desert Safari dito sa Dubai. At
Nahirapan ako. Bago ka, nag-vlog ka pa dyan.
ganda dito, tayo na para kang nasa para kang nasa end of the world eh.
Panoorin mo yung video na. Hirap na hirap ako makita siya nag-vlog.
Picture din tayo ng video.
Ayan.
Ito, tayo. Japan. Nandito kami sa desierto, guys. Ano? Paano kami nasa Marilaki? Woohoo! Gilid, gilid. Parang parating. Mas mamahal yung kanila. Eto na, guys! Eto, teknik ko! Sabi lang daw. Patay na, na. Meron pa tayo. Alright! Tangin na, panis-spray! Pinanis ko yung mga ano. Okidoki! Nandito na kami! Makikita na ba tayo? Tingnan! Okay. Okay, guys. Sir, thank you.
Welcome, bro.
Thank you. Alright, guys, medyo nakakapagod. Walang yung ano. Grabe. Ayan, oh. So, dito, meron din. Pero, pagod ako. Ikaw ba?
That was nice experience.
Ano? May mga tayo, no? Mga tao. Ito yan sa Dubai, United Arab Emirates.
सिंगल दे दियो तीन सिंगल खिलाओगे उतरा नहीं तो
Okay, pagod. Sobrang pagod. Yeah, you'd enjoy it. Yeah.
You drive?
You'd enjoy it, yeah.
Next, nothing. You need to go to the toilet. You can go to the toilet. You're okay. Just 5 minutes. I will deflate the toys, and then we can help.
Init, no? Grabe. Nasunog ako dun. Hi guys. Tapos lang natin mag-ride guys. ADV ride. Ayan, dito ulit tayo sa mga camels at horses. Ayun yung kasamahan natin tatlo. Right guys, so yun na nga, kakatapos lang namin mag camel ride at ATV ride dun sa desierto, and then mamaya babalik na kami sa kotse para mag ulit, desierto ulit. Alam ko yung kotse pupunta sa desierto gaganon eh, pero mamaya pang konti. Alright, grabe ang ganda nung desierto, pero mainit. Yung araw mainit pero yung hangin hindi. So, kaya sakto lang. Tingnan natin yung mga ATV dito. Okay. Dito ata yun mahal mamaya. Yung kainan. So, alis na kami guys. Mag-ano na kami. Mag-ride ulit kami sa sasakyan. Let's go!
Come puntas ka.
Ay, buta kayang kaya.